हेलो एंड वेलकम एवरीवन। तो स्वागत है आपका हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल पे, जहाँ पे हम आपके लिए लेकर आए हैं फाउंडेशन कोर्स के मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज़। तो आज के इस लेक्चर में हम पढ़ेंगे बीए, बीकॉम, बीएससी, यूजी सेकेंड ईयर के इंग्लिश लिटरेचर के बारे में। तो वीडियो स्टार्ट करने से पहले सबसे पहले चैनल को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें। तो चलो हम अब वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। सो फर्स्ट, who wrote Daffodils? Answer, William Wordsworth. Second, who is known as nature poet? Answer, William Wordsworth. Third, who is the poet of Bengal seller? B. Sarojini Naidu. Fourth, who is known as the Nightingale of India? B. Sarojini Naidu. Fifth, who wrote Letter to God? B. G.L. Swange. Sixth, who was called Missile Man of India? A. APJ Abdul Kalam. Seventh, who was Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam? Answer, 11th President of India. 8. Who read the letter sent by Lencho? B. The postmaster. 9th. Who is the story's protagonist? B. Aksionov. 10th. What is Aksionov's first name? B. Ivan Demitrov. 11. I Wandered Lonely as a Cloud is written by William Wordsworth. A. True. 12. A piece of cloud floats high over hills. A. True. 13. Golden or yellow colored bangles are compared to field of sunlight. False. 14. Silver and blue color of the bangles are not benefiting of maiden wrist. False. 15. Dr. APJ Kalam said, I call to my people to rise to greatness. True. 16. All nations which have risen to greatness have been characterized by sense of mission. True. 17. Lencho's profession was farming. True. 18. Lencho had a family of his own. False. 19. Aksionov had two shops and a house of his own. True. 20. The following prisoners did not respect Aksionov. False. अब आगे एक पैसेज आ रहा है, वो सब आप खुद पढ़ लेना, उसके मैं डायरेक्ट आंसर्स और क्वेश्चंस बता रही हूँ. 21. The gentleman was walking along a busy road. 22. The gentleman was spinning his walking stick. 23. The man who protested was Pazzubi. 24. The man walking behind paced his action. False. 25. The man thought that he is free to do anything. 26. Write the synonyms of freedom. A. Liberty. 27. What is the antonymy of satisfied? A. Dissatisfied. 28. The other gentleman said, your freedom ends where my dash being. Answer, nose. 29. What is meaning of rights? C. Entitlement. 30. What is antonymy of wrong? A. Right. 31. Find the correct words of things. A. Goods. 32. Find the misspelled word. D. Indomitable. 33. Choose the misspelled word. D. Courtesy. 34. He not only visited Lahore dash also Karachi. Put correct conjunction. Answer but. 35. Any kind of letter generally ends with D. Signature. 36. The subject of the letter to the editor should be C. Brief and relevant. 37. Which of the following is voice sound? B. T. 38. How many sounds are there in English? A. 26. 39. There are dash vowel sounds in English. Answer 5. 40. Monophthong is a single vowel sound. 41. What is phonetics? Answer both A and B. 42. How many nasal sounds are there in English? A. 2. 43. How many oral sounds are there in English? A. 44. Question number 44. How many unvoiced sounds are there? Answer 3. 45. The Adam's apple is generally known as the A. Glottis. 46. A study of speech process in called phonology. 47. Which of this is not a type of phonetics? D. Audition. 48. Full form of IPA. Answer International Phonetic Alphabet. 49. What does the sign represent? Answer phonetic transactions. 50. Phonetics is usually divided into dash branches. Answer 3. 51. William Wordsworth was a poet of nature. 52. A poet could not but be gay means the poet was happy. 53. Where did the poet see daffodils? Answer beside the lake and beneath the trees. 54. How many daffodils the poet saw at a glance? Answer 10,000. 55. Who did the author or the lesson? A letter to God. Answer J.L. Florence. 56. Why did the Lenchos need money? Answer to save his family from hunger. 57. Why did the postmaster decided to reply to Lencho's letter? Answer all the above. 58. What did Lencho think of the post office employee? Answer bunch of crooks. 59. Who is poet of Bengal seller? Answer Sarojini Naidu. Which state of woman's life represent the silver, blue and pink Bengals? Answer maidenhood. 61. Who is the speaker in the poem The Bengal Sellers? Answer the Bengal Seller. 62. What is referred to as the rainbow tinted colors of light? Answer the Bengals. 63. APJ Kalam was the President of India. 64. Dr. Kalam believed that patriotism should be beyond. Answer C. Both A and B. 65. In Kalam's view, what should be the common objective of citizens? Answer nation building and development. 66. Who wrote God sees the truth lined words? Answer Leo Tolstoy. 67. What does Aksionov's wife dreams about? Answer Aksionov's returning with grey hair. 68. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam said, I call to my people to rise to greatness. Answer true. 69. All nations which have risen to greatness have been characterized by sense of mission. Answer true. 70. The fellow prisoners did not respect Aksionov. Answer true. फिर से एक पैसेज आया, अगर आप चाहो तो इसको पढ़ सकते हो. Choose the right option given below. Question number 71. The damage caused by pollution might be irreversible. Ecosystem cannot always cope with A. Pollutants. 73. Name the source of pollution. Answer all the above. 74. Environmental damage must be dash by law. Answer punishable. 75. Effects of pollution is seen as. Answer all the above. 76. The degradation of environment is called pollution. True. 77. Human health is temporarily affected by pollution. Answer false. 78. Balance of ecosystem is not vital for nature environment. False. 79. Human activity is one of the source of pollution. Answer true. 80. Principles of sustainable development are essential for protecting the environment. Answer true. 81. The item to smell a rat means to suspect good dealing. 82. The item through thick and thin means in good times and in bad times. 83. The item to kill two birds with one stone means to accomplish two tasks or objective at once. 84. Choose a misspelled word. Answer familiar. Choose a misspelled word. Mischief. 86. Identify the conjunction in the following sentence. The teacher is strict but kind. Answer D. But. 87. Identify the conjunction in the following sentence. Answer though. Find out which part of sentence has an error. If a sentence is correct, then your answer will be no error. D. There should be no furniture in my room. No error. Any kind of letter generally ends with signature. A and dash is written to seek information from other organization. Answer inquiry letter. 93. A notice must contain dash information. Answer all the above. Which of the following is not a feature of a notice? Answer minutes. 95. An advertisement is a public announcement. 96. What makes classify advertisement perfect? Answer all the above. 97. There are vowel sounds in English. Answer 26. देयर आर डैश वोवल साउंड इन इंग्लिश. इसमें आंसर जो है वो 5 होगा क्योंकि 5 वोवल्स होते हैं. 20 गलत दिया हुआ है. 98. हाउ मैनी साउंड्स आर देयर इन इंग्लिश? आंसर 44. आंसर 44. 99. व्हाट इज फोनेटिक्स? आंसर सी, बोथ ए एंड बी. 100. Intonation can be defined as. Answer all the above. 101. William Wordsworth died in the year. Answer 1852. 102. I wandered lonely as a cloud. Who is the I? Answer flowers. 103. एक सेकेंड, यहाँ पे 100 का जो आंसर है वंडर्ड लॉन्ली एज अ क्लाउड, उसका सही आंसर होगा पोएट. जो पोएट होता है वो यहाँ पर उसने खुद को एक क्लाउड की तरह कहा है. यहाँ पे उसने फ्लावर्स का जो है वो गलत आंसर दिया है, तो फ्लावर्स नहीं है, वो आंसर होगा पोएट. 103. द पोएम बेंगल सेलर्स इज रिटन बाय. आंसर सरोजनी नायडू. 104. वेयर आर द बेंगल सेलर्स गोइंग टू सेल देयर बैंगल्स? आंसर टेम्पल फेयर. 105. Who was APJ Kalam? Answer 11th President of India. 106. I call to my people to rise to greatness is the line from C. Patriotism beyond politics and religion. 107. A letter to God is written by G.L. Swange. 108. Lencho was a firm believer of. Answer God. 109. Who was Ivan Aksionov? Answer a merchant. 110. Aksionov lived as a convict in Siberia for -years. Answer 26. Answer the statement as true, false. 111. The title word daffodils refers to fruits. Answer yes. Sorry. 111 का जो है द टाइटल वर्ड डैफोडिल्स वो फ्रूट्स का नहीं है, वो फ्लावर्स के लिए है, तो इसमें आंसर होगा फॉल्स. वो दिया ट्रू है पर अगर क्वेश्चन वहाँ पे आता है तो फॉल्स होगा इसका आंसर. 112. अ बेयर इज अ बर्ड इनहेल्ड ऑफ द सी. आंसर फॉल्स. 113. द बेंगल्स आर सिंबल ऑफ पॉजिटिविटी, हैप्पीनेस एंड होप. आंसर ट्रू. 114. सरोजनी नायडू वॉज अ पॉलिटिकल एक्टिविस्ट एंड अ ड्रामेटिस्ट. Answer false. 115. APJ Kalam was awarded Bharat Ratna in the year 1997. Answer true. 116. India lakes pride in the slogan unity in diversity. Answer false. 117. Lencho had doubt on the peoples working in the post office that they had taken rest of the money. Answer true. 118. Lencho hoped for snow. Answer true. 119. Michael Semyonich had killed the merchant. Answer true. 120. Akisnov was convicted of stealing. Answer true. फिर से एक पैसेज आ गया, वो खुद पढ़ लेना. 121. Why should we study history and read literature? B. It can teach you patience, sympathy and sense of human dignity. 122. Give the antonymy of the word trade. Frightening. 123. What knowledge does science impart to us? Answer. It enables us to know the mean to any chosen end. 124. Give the antonymy of the word sympathy. Answer. Pity. 125. What danger does the writer is see in the present emphasis on imparting skills? Answer. It will make you the dictator. 126. Give the synonym of the word sufficient. Answer. Enough. 127. What should according to the writer be the aim of education? Answer. To get success. 128. The formal education things are most likely to emerge from burning of dash and grade dash. Answer history learning. 129. Give the synonym of the word wisdom. Answer intelligence. 130. What are the two objects of education? Answer skill and wisdom. 131. Choose the correct meaning of an item once in a blue moon. Answer workout. 132. There was a man outside the temple. Which type of phrase? Answer noun. 133. Identify the type of phrase in given sentence. Answer adjective. 134 is used to mark the direct question. Answer interrogation. 135. Choose the correct type of sentence from the given sentence. Hooray, we have won the match. Answer exclamatory. 136. Fill in the blanks with the correct word. I went to the dash and bought some vegetables and fruit. Answer bus stand. 137. Fill in the blank with the correct word. Where there is will, there is dash way. 138. The word that are come in pair is known as conjunction. Answer coordinating. 139. I paid my respect to his mother. Answer none of this. 140. Must at 5 o'clock we leave the house. Answer none of this. 141. Ad- dash advertising is a way to reach your target audience. See magazine. 142. What is written or placed on the top of a classical advertisement? Answer salutation. 143. The dash of the notice should be very clear. Answer date. 144. Dash is not a part of a notice salutation. 145. The key points of a formal letter is writing in which part of formal letter. Answer heading. 146. Dash is a term that means a change of key in music or sounds of person's voice. Answer speech. 147. A pronunciation variety used by a specific group of people. Answer accent. 148. Speaking is a combination of dash and dash means. Answer music and dialect. 149. Symbols are used to represent in print the different sounds that make up words. Answer intonation. 150. Choose the correct abbreviation for the word enclosure. Answer ANC, ink. 151. The poem The Daffodils is written by William Wordsworth. 152. Solitude means being alone. 153. The number of daffodils flowers the poet wrote 10,000. 154. What wealth is referred to the poet? Answer happy memories of daffodils. 155. Where are the bangle sellers going to sell their bangles? Answer temple fair. 156. Bridal laughter and bridal tears indicates answer a bride desire. 157. How many stages of a woman's life are presented in the poem Bengal Seller? Answer 3 stages. 158. The poem Bengal Sellers play an important role in preserving culture tradition. 159. APJ Kalam is also known as Missile Man of India. 160. A special work in which a number of people are involved is called a adventure. 161. Dr. Abdul Kalam received Bharat Ratna in 1998. 162. Patriotism Beyond Politics and Religion is an extract from the book B. Ignited Minds. 163. Lencho was a farmer. 164. How much money Lencho asked for in his letter to God? Answer 100 pieces. 165. What was the only thing that the earth needed according to Lencho's answer? 166. What destroyed Lencho's will? Answer Hailstorm. 167. Where was Aksinov going? Answer Nizhny Fair. 168. Who had a bad dream? Dash. Answer Aksinov's wife. 169. What mode of transport does Exynos use of travel? Answer: horse drawn carriage. 170. God sees the truth but waits for publish in 1872. Note, एक फिर से पैसेज आया है वो पढ़ लेना. 171. The most important thing about being writer is that. Answer: you must have to develop your own point of view. 172. The narrator advised the readers to write in order to. Answer: encourage him to becoming a writer. 173. Most of the people like to read. Answer: humorous and adventurous stories. 174. A successful writer presentation must reflect. Answer: his personality and individuality. 175. The phrase "pen it down here" means. Answer: to write. 176. The poet saw 10,000 daffodils in a glance. True. 177. Bangle of red and pink color compared to maturity. Answer: true. 178. APJ full name was Jainuddin Abdul Kalam. Answer: false. 179. Lancho was surprised to find a letter from God. Answer: false. 180. Mac Simonich had killed the merchant. Answer: true. 181. Like a setting dude. Answer: ignorant. 182. Find misspelled duck. Answer: indomitable. 183. Choose the misspelled word. Answer: courtesy. 184. Her hair is a black as coal. 185. Among the language skills, the most difficult is dash. Answer: speaking. 186. I can't read Arabic Roman. Answer: all. 187. Rewrite has last week in/hospital. Answer: last week he was in hospital. 188. An advertisement is dash. Answer: public announcement. 189. Which of this median is non-used for advertisement? Answer: D. Notebooks. 190. What is the purpose of an advertisement? Answer: all of this. 191. The dash of the notice should be very clear. Answer: purpose. 192. Notice is generally issued to see a specific group. 193. Which of the following should be avoided in a formal letter? Answer: ambiguous constructions. 194. Letter to your friend is a informal letter. 195. A format letter should be in the prepared format. Answer: true. 196. What is the meaning of phonetics? Answer: a sound system. 197. What are the magical components of voice modulation? Answer: all the above. 198. We write more than we speak. Answer: false. What 199. Which of this is not a punctuation mark? Answer: hashtag. 200. Choose the correct statement. Answer: I met a beautiful European woman. तो हमने इस वीडियो में टोटल 200 MCQs कंप्लीट कर लिए हैं. अब आने वाले MCQs हम लोग आने वाले पार्ट्स में कंप्लीट करेंगे. तब तक के लिए चैनल को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें, नहीं तो फिर वीडियोस नहीं बनाई जाएगी. धन्यवाद.